Yeah. That's dirty.
It's okay. You should get it with that hand. Oh my god. Be careful. No.
Look, I'm just gonna show you.
Oh my god.
Hi.
You're so cute.
Hi, Daddy.
Yeah, you didn't tuck in your skirt. Yeah.
Yeah. Who said that? I'm recording this.
Yeah, right now.
record this.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I'll just... In the truck. Andre, don't do that.
Exactly. Look at my face. I wonder how this car drives in the snow.
There's Andre, there's Daddy, Greg. Andre, there's no angel. Come here. It's the cousins.
Yeah, he has to be our cousin. What are you doing?
That is not a snow angel.
Okay, you're must be jeans. You got jeans on.
Uh-oh.
Basketball.
Look, I made a snow.
Tell Daddy. Greg, say hi to the vlog.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
That's what you get for ruining my snow.
Gloves are too big for him. This, oh. How do I turn this around? Oh, you can. So cool. Andre and the cousin.
Let's do faster.
Girl, you're crazy. But no gloves. Nothing. It's crazy. Guys, this is crazy. There is no power. a crazy day. Playing snow. What do you say? Snow today. Snow in Houston, Texas. Andre's right here, sleeping with me. And then there's Gregory. We are gonna go to sleep. See y'all next time. Bye.